Are you ready to turn your bedroom into a cozy Scandinavian retreat this spring? In this video, we'll take a plain and cluttered space and transform it into a light, airy, and serene sanctuary. You'll discover how to declutter, choose the perfect color palette, and incorporate natural materials to create that effortlessly chic Scandinavian vibe. Stick around to the end for some stunning finishing touches that will make your bedroom truly one of a kind. Let's start by taking a good look at the before state of this bedroom. Picture a space that feels overcrowded with mismatched items, lacking that cohesive flow or sense of relaxation. Maybe it's a bit too dark, or there are just too many things competing for attention. That's what we're starting with. A room full of potential, but in need of a thoughtful touch to bring it to life. Now, what makes Scandinavian design the perfect choice for this transformation? It's all about creating a balance between beauty and functionality. This design philosophy emphasizes simplicity, clean lines, and a connection to nature, making it ideal for a bedroom makeover. Scandinavian interiors have a way of feeling effortlessly cozy yet uncluttered, a vibe that's perfect for a space meant for rest and rejuvenation. For this makeover, we're focusing on three key elements that define Scandinavian design. First, natural materials like wood and linen, which add warmth and texture. Next, a light and neutral color palette with shades like white, beige, and soft pastels to create a bright and airy feel. And finally, a minimalist approach to decor, choosing pieces that are not only beautiful, but serve a purpose. The inspiration for this makeover comes from the desire to create a space that feels like a sanctuary, a retreat from the chaos of the outside world. By the end of this transformation, this bedroom will have the signature Scandinavian aesthetic: cozy textures, functional design, and a serene atmosphere. Whether you're a fan of minimalism or simply looking for ways to refresh your space this spring, you're going to love this journey. A clutter-free space is the foundation of any Scandinavian-inspired design. Before we can truly embrace the simplicity and calmness of this style, we need to tackle the clutter. Imagine walking into your bedroom and instantly feeling overwhelmed by the chaos of random items, overcrowded surfaces, and a lack of organization. That's what we're here to change. The first step is all about letting go of the unnecessary. Start by sorting through your belongings with a critical eye. Ask yourself, does this item serve a purpose? Does it bring me joy? If the answer is no, it's time to say goodbye. This process can feel liberating. It's not just about creating physical space, but also about freeing your mind from the distractions that come with clutter. Once we've trimmed down the excess, it's time to organize. In Scandinavian design, functionality is just as important as aesthetics, and that's where clever storage solutions come into play. Consider adding woven baskets for a touch of natural texture, floating shelves to make use of vertical space, and organizers to keep everything neatly tucked away. The key is to ensure every item has a designated spot, reducing the chance of future mess. In this transformation, we're focusing on creating a bedroom that feels open and serene. Decluttering not only makes the room look better, but also sets the stage for the design elements to shine. By removing distractions, we're giving the space and ourselves a chance to breathe. And let's not forget, a tidy room can significantly impact your mood, helping you feel more relaxed and at ease. Decluttering and organizing might seem like a small step, but it's a powerful one. This is the moment when the room begins to feel lighter, paving the way for the calm Scandinavian vibe we're aiming to create. One of the hallmarks of Scandinavian design is its ability to make a space feel light, airy, and inviting. And this starts with the color palette. A serene bedroom begins with soft, neutral tones that create a sense of calm and simplicity. Think whites, beiges, soft grays, and the occasional pastel accent. These shades not only brighten the room, but also provide the perfect canvas for the natural textures and cozy elements we'll be adding later. In this makeover, we're starting with the walls. A fresh coat of white or a soft beige paint instantly transforms the room, making it feel more spacious and reflective of natural light. If painting isn't an option, you can achieve a similar effect with neutral-toned wallpaper or wall panels with subtle textures. Next, we'll bring in these soothing hues through textiles. Imagine crisp white bedding layered with a beige throw or a pastel-colored quilt. Curtains in a light, sheer fabric will allow sunlight to flood the room during the day, adding to the airy atmosphere. Even small details like pillow covers or area rugs can carry these colors and tie the whole space together. But it's not just about the colors themselves. It's also about how they interact with the natural light. Scandinavian design thrives on sunlight, so positioning mirrors or opting for reflective decor can amplify the brightness in your bedroom. If your space lacks natural light, consider adding warm, soft lighting with minimalist fixtures to mimic that cozy glow. This color palette isn't just about aesthetics, it also impacts how you feel in the space. Neutral and soft tones have a calming effect, making the room the perfect place to unwind after a long day. Plus, they provide the versatility to add seasonal decor or accents without clashing. By the end of this step, the room will feel transformed, calmer, brighter, and ready to embrace the next phase of its Scandinavian journey. Now that we've established a serene color palette, it's time to bring the space to life with natural elements. Scandinavian design is deeply rooted in a connection to nature, and incorporating organic materials and textures is key to achieving that cozy, inviting atmosphere. Let's start with furniture. Wood is a staple of Scandinavian interiors, thanks to its warmth and timeless appeal. Opt for pieces made from light-toned woods like oak, birch, or pine. Imagine a sleek wooden bed frame paired with matching nightstands, or a simple yet elegant dresser. These pieces not only look beautiful, but also create a grounded and earthy feel in the room. Next, we'll add natural textiles. Soft, breathable fabrics like linen, cotton, and wool are perfect for layering. Picture a linen duvet cover with a chunky knit wool throw draped over the edge of the bed. These materials not only enhance comfort, but also add texture, making the space feel rich and multidimensional. A jute or wool area rug can anchor the room, providing a cozy surface underfoot. Let's not forget about plants. Bringing greenery into your bedroom is an easy way to add vibrancy and a touch of biophilic design, a concept that emphasizes the importance of connecting with nature for well-being. Choose low-maintenance indoor plants like pothos, snake plants, or peace lilies. Place them strategically on windowsills, shelves, or even hanging planters to create visual interest and balance. Natural elements go beyond just decor. They're about how a room feels. Adding these organic touches fosters a sense of comfort and serenity that's hard to replicate with synthetic materials. They also work beautifully with the neutral color palette we've established, enhancing the overall harmony of the design. Finally, think about textures. A wooden bench at the foot of the bed, a wicker basket for storage, or a woven lampshade can subtly introduce variety while staying true to the Scandinavian aesthetic. These small but intentional choices make the room feel cohesive and thoughtfully designed. By blending these natural elements, the bedroom will exude warmth and tranquility, a space where you can truly relax and recharge. Now that we've laid the foundation for a cozy Scandinavian retreat, It's time to add the finishing touches that will bring personality and charm to the space. This step is where the magic happens, where a well-designed room truly feels like home. Start with decorative accents that align with the Scandinavian aesthetic. Plants are always a good idea, and placing small potted greenery on nightstands or shelves adds a fresh and organic feel. For added texture, consider ceramic pots or woven baskets as planters. Candles are another must-have. Grouping them on a wooden tray or placing them on floating shelves creates a warm, inviting glow, perfect for those cozy spring evenings. Next, let's talk about artwork. Choose simple, understated pieces that complement the neutral palette. Black and white photography, minimalist line art, or abstract prints with soft tones work beautifully. Hang them in frames with light wood finishes, or place them on ledges for a casual, layered look. These subtle touches of art make the room feel curated and unique. Now, think about textiles and personal items. Throw pillows in complementary colors, or textures can add depth to your bed. A woven throw blanket casually draped over a chair or the foot of the bed gives a lived-in, cozy vibe. Don't shy away from incorporating personal mementos, a favorite book on the nightstand, a small collection of keepsakes, or even a handwritten quote framed on a shelf can make the space distinctly yours. Lighting plays a big role in creating ambiance. Adding a simple pendant light or bedside lamps with warm-toned bulbs enhances the room's cozy feel while staying functional. Choose designs with clean lines and natural materials to stay true to the Scandinavian theme. Lastly, don't forget to invite your viewers to imagine their own finishing touches. Ask questions like, what personal items or decor pieces could they add to make their space a true sanctuary? Encouraging engagement inspires creativity and helps them visualize their dream bedroom. With all these elements in place, the transformation is complete. The once cluttered room is now a light, airy, and serene Scandinavian haven. Every piece, from the functional furniture to the personal accents, contributes to a space that's not only beautiful, but also deeply relaxing. And there you have it, a complete transformation into a cozy Scandinavian bedroom perfect for spring. I hope this makeover has inspired you to create a space that feels light, serene, and truly yours. If you loved this video and want more home design inspiration, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community here at the Design Lounge. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and let me know in the comments which part of the makeover was your favorite, or share your own bedroom makeover ideas. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.